Yes, I'm wearing my hair differently now. Did you notice? I parted it on the left. I get lots of compliments from the ladies on it.
Dr. Evil, while you were in the Caribbean tanning, which, by the way, I must say you have quite a tan.
Yes, thank you. I have been working on my tan. Turns out I'm half Latino and I didn't even know it. But that's why I got such a good skin color now.
But anyway, as I was saying, while you were away in the Caribbean, we acquired controlling interest in the Ford Motor Company. During this time, we developed the Crown Victoria into the #1 fleet vehicle in America. Police departments love it because it's reliable, strong, and each year's parts tend to be compatible with the other years. It spared Ford from bankruptcy like the other car companies.
Silence number 2. I have another one of my brilliant ideas. Stop making the Crown Victoria and instead make the Taurus. The Taurus is bull. We'll make it with a water pump that burns out in 100,000 miles and takes a full day's labor to change out.
No, you insolent fool. We'll stop making the Crown Victoria. I have a new idea. We'll make the Taurus. Because it's bull.